How to place an order on the Shein app. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now from here you can select the item that you want to purchase. Just click on the item and select the details of the item, color, sizes, and then click on add to cart. Once you are done with selecting the items, head towards the cart section. Over here you will find this cart icon, click on it. In this page, you're going to find all of your items. You can check in for the items that you want to purchase and then click on checkout. First, you have to fill your shipping address and then select your shipping method. Likewise, scroll down, select your payment method and then scroll down. If you have coupons, you can apply it. If you have points, you can apply it. Likewise, if you have gift card, you can use it. After you fill all these and check all the details of your payment, you can click on the option of place order. Now you can provide your payment details. After you fill this, you can click on the option of place order, and with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can place an order on the Shein app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.